Hey, what's up YouTube? Good afternoon from Pasig City, Metro Manila, Philippines. So today I wanted to just talk about like the visa process, at least for US citizens. I can't speak for anybody else, but I could tell you about my process and what to do. So maybe if you're interested in coming here, your process will be a little smoother. This should be really quick. I'm just gonna talk about how to stay here for 2 months, because I've never stayed beyond 2 months. I usually left went on a trip and came back. So I can't tell you about that, but what I do know is that you could consecutively renew your visa over and over for a total of 3 years straight before you have to leave the country. But then you could come back and start that process all over. So it's basic. It's you can stay here long term without leaving on visitor visas. Yeah. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, the first step you're gonna want to do is I'm not sure if I just mentioned this, but the first 30 days for US citizens is visa free. So you don't have to apply for anything. You could just arrive with your passport, but you also will have to fill out an arrival card, which is online. I don't think they have a paper one. Don't quote me on that. But what I do know is they have an app where you could fill out the arrival card. So the name of the app is called eGov, E-G-O-V. I'm not sure if there's another eGov, but yeah, the Filipino one. I think it has I can look it up right now. I think it has a Filipino flag, or it looks like that. Sure if you can see. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna want to download that app. You could fill it out before you get there, but I believe it has to be one or 2 days before. I'll look it up and I'll put it in the text under the video. But yeah, you wanna get that, download the app, sign up, and follow all the instructions to sign up, or I'm assuming you're signing up, not signing in. If you are, if you're just signing in, you probably already know how to do this. But yeah, sign up, follow the instructions. Then what you want to do is click on the travel icon. It's going to be the icon with the little airplane on it. I'm going to put up a screenshot right here and point out the icon. And then once you go there, you're going to want to choose e-travel. I'm gonna put screenshots of all these things once I edit the video. But yeah, you're gonna want to choose e-travel, and then you're gonna want to update your personal information. So you're gonna need your passport number, and yeah, I'm sure you remember your name and all that, but you're gonna need some personal information. I think the only document you need for this part is your passport. It should have all the information that you need. And then yeah, then you want to select a new travel declaration, and then fill out that form with your personal information. Yeah, okay. So for the first month, that's all you got to do. Like when you arrive, or a day before you arrive, something like that, you could just fill out this electronic arrivals card. And beyond that, for US citizens, it's visa free. So after or before that month is over, while you're in the Philippines, you're going to have, if you want to stay another month, you're gonna have to file for an extension. So you're gonna want to go to this website. I'm gonna write it on the bottom in text, and I'll also put it in the description below so you could copy and paste. Then yeah, log in or sign up, whichever one. And then on the left menu, you're gonna see an option called services. You want to choose services, and then on the next menu you want to choose a visa waiver, not visa extension. I believe visa extension is the one where you initially applied for a visa. So in my case, and if you're a US citizen, probably in your case as well, you're gonna be there on a visa-free entry for the beginning, so you're not really extending a visa. So this is a visa waiver for the second month. So yeah, and then you fill out the information there, and then in a few days they're going to send you a confirmation email with the document. So what you want to do is print out that document, and you want to present that to the immigration officer when you leave, because I believe that they have to look up the ID of the extension for them to know that it was extended. I don't think their information is updated automatically. Yeah, I'm not really sure about that. What I do know is you got to show them the piece of paper, or I'm not sure if you could show them on a screen. I never risked not printing it out. So yeah, I can't tell you, but yeah, I would suggest printing it out. It's the safest way. But yeah, it's pretty much as simple as that. If you do want to extend it further than that, then I'm sure there's other resources online that talk about that, and I may need to do that in the future, so I may update this video in the future. But yeah, thank you guys for listening. I hope you got something out of it. I'll see you guys next time.